Hi guys, so let's quickly make this crisscross boo top. Okay, this crisscross dress. You just be using your ruler, your tape rule, and your chalk. Okay, so I've gone ahead to fold my fabric into two, like I want to cut my center back. Okay, and then mark my shoulder measurement and the length of my sleeve. Okay, where I want it to stop. Now I'll go ahead to mark my bust point and I'll make it 12 inches because I want the sleeve to be a bit wide. Okay, this is what I'm doing. The full length of my dress is 30. Okay, because I've already gonna to cut it exactly how I want it. The full length of my dress is 30. Now I'll measure my round hip divided by 3 and I'll add 3 inches or 4 inches to it. Can you see? Depends if you want it so big, so because I'll mark the same thing I have on the hemline. Then I'll connect it with a straight rule like so. I'll just mark 2 inches down to make a curve where how I want my curve to be. Okay. Now to make this crisscross dress is not very difficult. It's just like the way you make your wrap top. Okay. So now I'll go ahead to do my shoulder slope like so. And I'll mark my neck 3 by 1 inches. Okay. So now I'm gonna head to cut. This is it for the back. Okay. Now to cut the front pattern, I'm going to use pattern paper to do this. So I've gone ahead to just mark my pattern like so. All right, and from the neckline I'll make a curve, like I'll mark it. Can you see where I'm marking it? It's just the same way you go about your wrap dress. So I've already gone ahead to measure the total length of the back and indicate the midpoint. Can you see? You see the line there? I've gone ahead to indicate the midpoint. So that's where my neck for the front is going to stop. But I'm going to connect it down like so. When I get to this part, because I don't want my lapel to be too big, I'll take out 2 inches for it. I don't want it to be too wide, so I'm going to curve it like so. All right, this pattern is this paper is very small. The way you go about your lapel is to measure the total length of your shirt, or sorry, the total length of your blouse or your gown. Okay, that's what you're going to use to mark the lapel. So mine is 30, so I'm going to make it 30, but you can reduce it if you want, so that to give you that front cross, like it will go up. Do you get? So that's it for the back. So now I'm gonna have to place my front piece and my back piece like so. Now I'll go ahead to join the shoulders, okay, and hem the sleeve. Then I'll sew the sides. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it, okay, the shoulders, the sides, and hem the sleeve. Okay, so you can serge this other part. Okay, you can serge it all the way down the neckline where you have the lapel and the back, but I went ahead to serge it Sorry, I went ahead to hem the down part of my blouse, just like you see. So now this is how you go about the crisscrossing of this dress. Okay, so you take one part like this, okay, and the other part you take it to this side, just like you see me doing. Okay, like you're just crossing your hands. Okay, now you take them right side facing each other and sew by 1/2 inch. Okay, so this part now that I'm going to sew by 1/2 inch is going to be the midpoint. It's going to serve as the midpoint, and then you're going to mark the midpoint of your neckline. Okay, that's the back. Can you see? I'm gonna head to also press it open. Now you fold them together, close it, and take it to meet the midpoint of your neckline. And then the next thing you're going to do is to pin it. Make sure you pin it so that it will be easy for you to sew. Okay, so you're going to pin it, and then you're going to, after pinning both sides, you're going to sew it to the point where you don't have any space left to sew. And after that, you are done with the dress. It's just very easy. It's not difficult to make. Okay, so if you've been watching up to this point and you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, most especially don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'll do that and show you. Now this is it. This is it about the dress. So as you can see my lapel, you can decide to open it and press it down. Okay, and now our crisscross blouse is ready. Mine is a blouse, it's not a gown. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. So don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. Okay, that's all. Bye bye for now. See you next time.